Hi, I'm Georgie from Home in Place, and I'm here to tell you about the Spring 2026 Green Thumb grants. Whether you'd like to grow your own vegetables, brighten up your outdoor space, create an indoor plant collection, or start a new communal garden with your neighbours, we'd love to hear your ideas. This round, eligible tenants can apply for personal garden projects with a value of up to $100. This can be for garden-related items or supplies. We're also looking for ideas for new communal gardens that bring people together and create greener, more connected communities. You don't need to be an experienced gardener to apply. If you've got an idea and a willingness to give it a go, we'd love to hear from you. If you'd like some help with your application or you're not sure where to start, give your local Home in Place branch a call. Our team will be happy to help. Good luck, and we can't wait to see what you grow.